Hello, and welcome to Sacramento Public Library's Kids Science Book Club. Today we'll be talking about squishy circuits. We also recommend that you read a book. This time we read Cece Loves Science by Kimberly Durding. For this project, you'll need a Squishy Circuits Lite Kit, 4 AA batteries, and 1 pack of Play-Doh. In your kit, you'll find instructions, conductive dough, a battery pack, and 15 LED lights. First, you'll make 2 balls out of your conductive dough. Next, you'll put your batteries into the battery pack. Match the positive and negative signs on the battery to the positive and negative on the battery pack. The negative goes into the spring. Now we'll connect the terminals. Put one terminal into one ball of dough and the other into the other. We have the kit on now. Now we're going to light it up. Take the long end and the short end and pull them apart on your light. The long end connects to the red terminal and the short end attaches to the black. Now you've completed a circuit. Here are some concepts that we have learned just from this project. First of all, polarity, when electricity can only flow in one direction. Positive and negative terminals match the light's positive and negative terminals. That's why we have to connect the long leg of the light to the red wire of the terminal. We also learned about a circuit. A circuit is a continuous path that electricity travels through. When you connect your light, you complete the circuit, and the electricity can travel through the dough, into the light, and then back down to the other side with the other ball of dough. The dough is conductive. A conductor allows electricity to pass through it. What else can you do? What happens when the 2 balls of dough touch? What other designs can you make light up? What happens if you add more lights to your design? There are many other books that you can read about science. You can also read stories about kids learning about science themselves. If you enjoyed this activity, you can check out these great reads about circuits and science. They're all available now at Sacramento Public Library.